Hey there everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be looking at Poisson distribution for AS level mathematics stats 2. So let's begin with what Poisson distribution actually is. So it's used for counting the number of events in a fixed interval, and this fixed interval could be something like time, it could be area, it could be length, it could be volume, and it could even be space, where there are some certain conditions that need to be met. Now, some of these are: event must happen randomly. Event must happen independently, which means that one event does not affect another. Then the event must happen at a constant average rate, where as we move ahead, we'll notice that we usually represent it using lambda. Then it must be a single event, which means that two events cannot occur at the same instant. Now, always note that when in the future you'll be asked questions about like theory questions on this, your answers that you give must be in context. But don't worry too much about it, as we'll look into it as we move ahead. Now, there's a certain notation that we usually use. So let's say x, then the symbol PO, which stands for Poisson, brackets into bracket lambda. Over here, x is the random variable or the number of events, and lambda means the mean number of events in the interval. And this is the formula that we use: p x equal to 2 equals to e power minus lambda times lambda per r all over r factorial. And over here, your r can be anything from 0 to infinity, the number till what you want to calculate. Now, always, for those of you that don't know what r factorial is, let's say, so r factorial is basically 1 times 2 times 3 times for all the way till r. So let's say I have 5 factorial, so I can write that as 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. And for those of you that don't know what the E here stands for is, so the E here basically is Euler's constant, which is a fixed number, which is 2.718. And yeah, so this is what I will be talking about in the first video. The second part of it was where we'll be doing some questions and then getting to know about it. So make sure to like, share, and subscribe to watch the second part of it.